Hi, I'm Rainer and welcome to my train room. Just a fairly short video today. I noticed overnight that somehow I hit 4,000 subscribers, actually 4,001 when I checked this morning. So that's something I never expected to happen when I started building this layout 2 years ago. So if you look back 2 years ago in my videos, I think February 4th, 5th, something like that, I posted my first video from this room, empty room. I was sitting in the chair at that end and talked about my plans for this layout. So I've gotten a lot done in the last 2 years, but what's really more surprising to me is the number of people who've joined along with my build of this layout. There's been a lot of people who have subscribed to the channel. There's been a lot of encouraging comments, a lot of questions, and it's been a good and interesting 2 years. And I just want to thank everybody that's kind of joined up on all of this. And this past week I haven't done much on the layout because I've been fixing up some more Athearn Blue Box locomotives for the train show that we have coming up this next weekend with the train club. So if you're in the Barrie, Ontario area, I'll put the ad up for the show here. Stop by. It's usually a really large train show with a lot of really good vendors and some really good deals, and there's also a lot of operating displays as well. So stop by if you're in the area. And again, thank you everybody for watching, and I'm just going to leave you with a quick cab ride tour that I recorded this morning of the train, of my train running from my north end staging over here all the way around the layout and ending up down here at my steel mill blast furnace area. So enjoy the ride. It'll show you the status of the layout as it is right now from one end to the other. The only part that you're not going to see is the part through my kind of my tourist park at the other end, because it splits off from the main line and I didn't run the train down both lines. But again, thanks for watching and see you next time.